Today I want to show you what I got in the mail. PrimoChill View. I got it in powder blue. Pretty sick. Just built my first custom water loop for my PC, and I'm running system prep through it. So once that cleans out, I'll throw this in. But that's not before I get my water block for my GPU. I just got that ordered from EK for my 1080 Ti. Clean that one out once it gets here and run this baby through. Also got a couple more fittings, a couple black chrome 90 degree from XSPC. These are pretty nice. I got a couple fittings in there right now. Same color. It looks really good with the LED lighting. Pretty sick.